Hey guys, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a pretty cool car. I haven't had one of these in a long time. It's a 1989 Chevy Camaro Iroc-Z. This one's a 305 with an automatic transmission, convertible, 73,000 miles. Pretty good condition for the age. It's original paint, still nice and shiny. Look at that red interior. This car, clean Carfax, AC is ice cold. Drives really nice, starts right up, no problems. This one does have the driver power seat right there. It's got power mirrors that do work, power locks also that work, and the power windows work. The top is manual. I'll get some pictures of those up. The top has been replaced and it looks really, really nice. You can see this driver's seat has been redone at some point. It's very good condition. It's not cracked or worn out. There's your mileage, 73,478. It does have a Bluetooth radio in there now. This is looking nice here, the console lid. Overall, really good condition. It does have a little crack in the windshield right here that was repaired at some point. Kind of goes across, so we'll need a windshield replaced. MagnaFlow exhaust on here. It sounds good. Nice little rumble. Deep tone. So yeah, looking for an inexpensive collectible. These are up and coming. Everything 80s, 90s is up and coming. I think this car will increase in value over time. And you can jump right in it and enjoy it with your family. Everything's working as it should. It's nice and quiet, as you can tell. Haven't noticed any leaks on this one at all in the shop. So give us a call, text, email if you want more pictures, close-ups of something, or video. I can always do that for you. Reach out to me directly. Subscribe to our channel. Go find us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. You can see some of the projects we're doing there. And we can ship this right to you anywhere in the country. Really clean. Non-smoker. No weird noises, nothing crazy. Hope to hear from you on this one. We'll talk soon.